Alright, so for today's video, featuring the second time I'm playing here sa Eastridge. So the first time here, that was a few months of starting the vlog. So ngayon, thank you very much to Solark for sponsoring and also making this video happen. So siya ang gold sponsor namin. So thank you very much for making this happen. So if you're looking for solar panels to be installed sa houses nyo, schools, offices, warehouses, yan. So Solark. So we are starting this tournament. The format is System 36. Dito kami sa Silver Tees, ang mga 55 years old pa ba. So starting the tournament sa hole number 9. Yan, hole number 9 is 361 yards. So it's dogleg left. So the pin is in this area. So I assume the play is to aim for the left of the bunker. Okay, let's see. Good luck. Comment if you would think I can try. So goal ko na lang dito, try to break 80. So System 36, let's see. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. And see you at the fairways and nice shot. And so for the video today, playing with a new friend, si Jolo, brother. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. And thank you for making this video happen. Si Solark, bago na pala logo mo.
Yeah, bago lang.
Bago pala. Sabi ko, ito ba yung kay Mikey? Oh, Solark. Thank you very much, brother. Good luck. Thank you. Yeah. And, si BJ. Welcome back to the channel. At least ngayon, maglalaro na tayo. Last time yung host of our fellowship. Ayan. Okay. Natin ang mga caddy namin. Ano pangalan mo, ate?
Rosel po.
Ikaw, Rosel.
Opo.
Okay, BJ. Kay Jolo,
Lenny po.
si Ate Lenny. And, ano pangalan ng caddy ni Mikey?
Si Ate Shoni po.
Ate Shoni. Hi! Hi ka sa vlog.
Yung kado niyo po sa nandun po.
230 sa puno na sa dulo ng bunker. Yung gitnang-gitna, 320. So aim mo lang dun sa kaliwa ng bunker, Mikey. Ganda! Gitnang-gitna. Nice shot, brother.
Nice practice.
Okay, on the tee from Antipolo, number 12. Naging basketball. BJ Manalo. Oh, fairway na fairway lang. Good shot, brother. For right.
Hindi sa diretso lang.
Okay, nasa right. Yung kabilang fairway. Kanan din. For right.
Hazard lang po, sir.
Ang aking caddy. Hi, Ate Francia. Siya ang aking caddy / videographer. Okay. My tee shot went a little right. Di naman pala kabilang fairway. I'm still left with 150 yards to the flag. So I'm hitting 9 iron. Aim for that tree dito. Kasi it will naturally turn left.
Kaliwa. On the green.
Okay, landed on the green left side. Kulang pa yung aim ko sa right. So, ayan. This is the view of hole number 9 here in Eastridge. Ang ganda. Nasa taas ka ng Rizal. It's Mikey. I think this is his third shot to up and down for par. Bite. Sobra lang. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Okay, I have this birdie putt. I have a severe slope. Left to right. Tapos downhill pa. Kulang sa kaliwa.
More left.
Grabe. Kulang pa sa kaliwa.
Kulang kaunti. Oh, tama na.
Kailangan pala matapang.
Kulang pa.
Tapang. Okay, I have this putt. I have this par putt. Bigyan ni Ate Francia. 1 cup right to left uphill. So +1. Pasok. Diba sabi sa'yo eh? Diba sinabi ko sa'yo? Diyan yung mga favorite mo eh. Nice spot, brother.
Yung kaya magali. Ay, yung mayo mo. Sayang.
Kahit isang araw yata bro, hindi aabot.
Pogi.
Par ako. Yun no, nice spot brother. Good putt. Good putt. Alright, so hole number 10. 396 yards. So technically the silver tee pala is the blue tee. So yan, dogleg right, par 4. It's a long par 4. Parang the play is right off that bunker in the middle. Tapos it turns right. Okay. To carry that bunker pala sa middle is 280 yards. So a little right of that. Tapos I think it will trickle down to the right.
Grabe naman yun, no? Ando na yun.
Okay lang naman yun, di ba? That was a good cut. I was able to play it here. Tapos nag-cut. Turn right. Went left lang. Safe naman yata yun. Eh, tumama sa puno.
Pumalo pa.
Ganda, perfect cut. Nice one, brother. Perfect. Gitnang gitna. Good shot, brother. Ay, too much right.
Ano? Pwede ka magbulikan dito.
Okay, playing hole number 10, second hole. So far, was the travel worth it to play here sa Eastridge? So far, ganda. Maganda yung view. It's more of really just the traffic yata. Kasi on the way here, parang almost 2 hours ang biyahe. Maganda yung golf course, pero I think that's the reason why most of my friends ayaw na maglalaro dito. Kasi nga, ma-traffic. Pero at least the tournament started late, around 12 noon. So, pwedeng tapusin muna yung tournament, paiwas traffic muna before going home. Pero these are some of the views na makikita nyo. Views of the mountains. Very wide fairway. Halos walang jabong yata dito. Ayan. So this is my drive, my tee shot. Second shot. Okay, so for my second shot, slightly downwind. Looks like it's left to right. 110 yards. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Uy, right. Hala, sobra pa.
Stance ko rin kasi.
Ako din eh.
Kaya hindi ako nag-50 natulis. Okay, a little over medyo ball, top ball. A groove low. Kangayon Ate Francia. Okay, left with around 12 yards, right to left. Aim is for to land it dyan sa before the leaf. Kapal yung damo.
Isa pa. Go!
Kasi sabi ko na against the grass kasi. Yun tuloy. Okay. That is for my bogey. Ano ba yan?
Nice spot.
Okay, hole number 11. Third hole. Silver tees, 371 yards. So, diretso lang naman siya. Pero I guess the best approach is to aim left. Ayan, kaliwa ng konti. Iwas sa bunker sa right. So hazard left, hazard right.
Patay.
Ay, bumaba. Okay, bumaba. Swerte.
Ginaw ng mata mo ah.
Bumaba, no? Buti na lang. Ay, too much. Kanan din. Okay. This is the view. Ganda, no? Puro... Hindi, gandang lalaki sinasabi ko. Ah, mahangin din yung lalaki. Tawid, tawid. Hindi nagkakat ngayon yung bola mo, Mikey. Ah.
Yun, okay lang. Safe.
Oh, nasa Eastridge pa rin. Ganun din, nag-bleed right. Open na open. Buti na lang swerte. Left with 180 yards. Pero sobrang kapal ng rough. Try to punch out lang.
Okay.
Thank you, ate. Hey. Ay, feeling ko may injure ako pag pinwersa ko. Kaya hindi ko na pinalo ng maayos. Okay, fairway. Go try to go up and down for par. For my third shot, left with 60 yards to the flag against the wind uphill. So hit the number 60.
Nice.
Okay lang. Ay, right hand side. Ako? Okay, ate pasuyo na lang.
Galing.
Okay, that was a good par. Nice one, Beach. Gal, lakas. Lakas ba? Yun naman, lakas. Okay, hole number 12. Currently still 2 over. This is also a fun hole. Gift long. Fun holes nearest to the pin, longest spot. Walang hole in one. Okay, it's playing 170 yards. Hitting an 8 iron.
Uy.
Ba't
Uy.
ka nag-draw? Bunker pa.
Shoot.
Uy, lumabas. Before lang.
Sayang, sakto.
Okay. Open pa rin yung club face ko. Landed dyan right of that bunker.
Left.
Hindi kayo paturo sa akin. Ginaya mo rin yung tira ko eh. Kanan din. Tama na. Naku, cart pat. Naku. Bumaba. Inunahan na tayo sa 13th hole. Oh, kita kits. Okay, so landed right off the the green. Short. 30 yards. Right to left. Try to nip a 30-yard shot downhill. Right.
Laki. Oh,
Baba. Hindi pa.
hindi masyado.
Masyadong mataas. Masyadong mataas ang aking nip. Too high. Slope ko rin kasi uphill. That is for my par. Mikey. Bite. Bite. Ayan, safe. Kung 11 ate, -1. Hindi kailangan firm.
Lapin din sir eh.
Oo nga. Doon lang babagsak Doon lang
Lagi ko yung guhit.
Sakto na yun? Ganun lang.
Ito mo na.
Hindi pala regular.
Nice, G. Nice, booty. Nice.
Scrambling lagi. Okay. Pakimark. Nice par. Nanakot pa. Good par, brother. Gwapo ng sponsor namin, Hi.
Well, don't mention it.
Redundant. Okay, hole 13, scrambling. Buti lang nabogi ko pa. 471 yards. Ayan, need to cross that water. Okay, cross this water. So the play is aim for, right of that bunker. Ayan, tapos dog leg. Right. Kumakaliwa ngayon yung drive mo. Okay, safe naman sa left side si Mikey. Good shot, brother. Ito at.
Uy, delikado. Over. Ay, alanganin sir.
Muli ka na. Ay, masyadong nag-cut.
Yun. Habat to. Kumakain sa dulo eh. Yun, lusot. Baka safe din yung isa.
Ang laki lang ng kinat. Buti umabot. Okay. Buti umabot ang aking mulligan. Okay, safe, fairway. For my second shot, the pin is left side. Behind that tree. 220 yards against the wind. Sana I can hit it close lang with my hybrid. Tama, di ba ate? Itong mga punong
Yung
maliit.
punong
na to,
maliit
diba?
po.
Sabi ko na, uphill eh. Mali! Dapat lay safe ko na lang. Batok-tok. Uphill stance. Wala nga pa. Hindi kasi flat yung stance ko. Hindi ko iniisip na baka mabatok-tok. Ay nawa. So third shot. This is what I'm looking at. 110 yards from the bunker. Batok-tok. So 110 hitting 50 degrees.
Nice. Sakto. Lampas.
Thank you. Thanks, brother. Okay, patong. Putting for birdie. Okay, Mikey. To go up and down. Texas wedge. Go. Sige pa. Ano? Yan si Ate Francia na naglilinya sa amin. We're giving it right edge for birdie. 6 paces. Firm lang na 6. Pasok! Ang lakas ah. Edge lang nga.
Okay.
Labas ko ng konti, sinundan ko yung linya.
Penalty. Dalaw niya.
Pasok.
Go!
Galing mag-putt. Paki-mark din, Beach. Ay. Good putt, brother.
Okay, shoot.
Pasok. Nice putt. Nice putt. Good bogey.
Relax lang.
Okay, hole 14. 317 yards. Ako na lang ba? Is dog leg right siya. So aim is for that bunker sa middle.
Bar!
Direct. Muntik na lang yung mga sa may left of the bunker. Sayang. Sarangan ako ng puno. This is what I'm looking at. 95 yards to the flag. Need to punch out lang. Hit a low pitching wedge. Natatak pa na. Magulong na ba to? Hindi pa.
Ang harap, ang green ang magulong sir, pero ang harap hindi. Right.
Short. Hindi nag-punch. Umangat. Kapal masyado yung rough. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan ako eksakto. Landed short. 25 yard short. A little left to right. Mabilis yung pababa. Kapal ng damo.
Go!
Pinakain ng damo yung ano ko. Which? Para terrible chip. Hindi, sige, pat na nga natin. Hindi ko makuha yung damo dito. Yung kaliwa, ano? 10 feet.
Go! Sige pa.
Hindi ako nag- I have this for bogey. Left edge ate.
Left edge po.
4 paces.
Pogi.
Ah, okay. Okay, that was another bogey. Playing 295 yards. Alam ko play safe lang to eh. Dog leg left. Aim is, so ayan, so downhill. Aim for that bunker lang sa left as it turns left na pababa. Pa-record na lang. Pwede over naman ng puno na yan, ano?
Yung tao na yun. Ilang yards? Mulligan na ako. Thank you. Yung tao na yun may flag.
Asa hindi pa pwede?
Ayun lang naman kami. Kahit na.
Doon lang sa before the bunker yung
Oo.
laro play ko. Wag na. Baka malakas kumain si Ate Francia. Isang linggo ko papakainin. Patutok na lang pa ganyan.
Ba't may flag pala?
Yung
Pinapaalam kung pwede na pumalo or not.
Kala ko, nearest eh.
Nearest to the caddy.
Kali ba natin?
Nice shot. Sakto.
Ilan yan, Luis? Ilan ang goal mo ron? 180?
180 lang.
Ano yan? 5 wood? 5?
7 iron. Lakas.
7 iron.
Strong.
Huwag mo na kasi talangin, pre.
So, this is hole 14. Ganda naman. Pababa. If do-draw mo pala yung bola from the tee, you can go for it. Pero sa aking slice, never mind. I am left with 125 yards to the flag. A little downwind, downhill, hitting a 50-degree wedge. Tutok. Kaliwa, no?
Kanan. Kanan po.
Nakakatakot eh.
Kayo sir.
Kaliwa ng kon.
Uy, right.
Sabi ko nakakaliwa.
Kanan. Ala. Alok ka.
Sabi ko nakakaliwa dahil sa stance. Tama ka, kanan nga dapat. Ah, tama, mali pala ako. Kanan dapat in-aim ko. Kasi alam kong kakaliwa. Downhill. Sa bunker yata ako. Very unfortunate. Landed sa bunker. 24 yards left to right. To go up and down for par.
Do! Uy, babalik. Ano kasi?
Okay na, 7.
Sorry po.
Ano na tayo?
Playing 6 na. Isa pa.
Unless ma-shoot. Kaya kailangan ko makuha yung bunker nila dito.
Dapat ano sir, clean sheet. Mga ano eh. Malakas ang buhangin.
Hindi pwedeng
Practice na lang.
Okay na, pick up na.
Yun. Pick up.
First time ko mag-pick up ah. So, grabe. First time ever ulit. Ako din, first time ever mag-pick up sa tournament. 7 over. Ay, 7 over. Ay, 7 over ako. Triple bogey. Wow. Okay, let's see what I'm made of. Subukan bumawi. Grabe yun ah. Hindi ko makuha yung bunker. Alright, so 16th hole. This might be a hole-in-one prize. Hole-in-one hole. Fun hole from KNG. Playing 125 yards against the wind. Might hit a pitching wedge. Ganda! Hole-in-one mo na!
Oo nga. Go.
Sobra. Ganda, Mikey.
Green ka lang.
Patong eh.
Kaliwa. Left.
May pag-asa yan, Luis.
Kick left. Uy, sobra ka pa. Sobra.
Buti di tayo nag... Ganda ng linya. Oh, mga 100,000. Ganda, beach. Meron kong 100,000. Ay, sayang, bibitin lang. Okay, Jodo for birdie. -1 lang na downhill. Ay, noting mo, nagbe-brake lalo, di ba? Kasi dahil pababa. Kasi tas dying pace na siya, so it takes on the brake more. Okay, so I have this birdie putt. Pambawi naman dun sa pick up. We're giving it 1 ball left.
Nice. Go, 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 go.
Double break siya, -1 6 paces.
Uy, ang galing. Ay, lamusot.
Mahina. Malakas naman, nakita yun kay Mikey.
Uy,
Nag-turn dito, hindi nag-left to right.
diretso lang.
Hole number 17. What a terrible bogey. 3 putt. 400. So, dog leg right. So, we can aim dito. Tas cut. Okay.
Uy, good shot. Ganda nun.
Okay lang yun?
Okay po, pinakamaganda.
Masyadong kanan. Eh, naka-aim kasi ako dun sa V. Pumunta sa
Shortcut
kanan.
yun,
Maganda pala yun. Buti na lang. Medyo kanan ng konti. Maganda naman daw. Ito dito.
Walang pag-asa yan, ha?
Yun,
Okay lang.
swabe yun. Okay yun. Yes.
Ay, too much.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Sa T-mount at saka sa pot, if it's accidental. Hindi. Okay, playing 150 yards pero lakas nung against the wind. So, clubbing up with an 8 iron.
Hoy. Sakto. Sakto.
Sila maganda yung sama ng tama.
Wrong kick.
Butter lang oo. Hanggang sama ng tama. Okay, pero at least chipping for birdie. Sandwich for birdie. Left to right. Half putter left to right uphill. 7 paces. Okay, so that was a good par. 463 for hole number 18. I remember this hole. Ito yung pumunta ako sa kanan. Most likely pupunta pa rin naman ako sa kanan ngayon. Aim left na. 460. Layo ng par 4 na to. 460. So, par 5 ba? Ah, par 5 pala. Sorry. Okay, par 5. So, ang aim natin, yung puno na, yung malaking bush na yon.
Malaki, oo, pwede yun.
So, parang yung red stick kaliwa nun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, red stick. So, left of that red stick.
Ay, shot. Huy. Okay lang, sir. Layo. Kanan lang.
Ganda. Good shot, Beej. Okay, a little right lang. Good shot, BJ. Okay, fun hole pala to. Longest drive and most accurate. From Blast TV. May libreng TV, Mikey. Cable. Premier Sports. Ah. Diretso mga drive mo ngayon, Mikey. Ah. Okay, Jolo. 18th hole. Ganda, brother! Okay, sayang oh. That's the longest drive. I could have gotten it. Kaso wala ako sa fairway. Gugulong sana yan. Ay, naku, sasabit. This is what I'm looking at. The pin is there. Oo nga eh. 220. Sige, may putik, may puno. Siyempre, go for it. 3 wood. Wala na si Batman.
Ang galing. Huwag kang kakanan, diretso ka lang. Go. Sige pa. Go! Hi, very good. Ang ganda.
Right before the green. Sana naman easy birdie na yan. My third shot to go up and down for potentially birdie. 30 yards, right to left. Hitting my 60-degree wedge.
Ang ganda. Bite.
Mabait yan.
Ay, kulang lang sa kanan.
Okay na. I knew it would bite. Okay, potentially for birdie. Sana naman makuha ko na to. Ate, basahin na natin to, Ate Francia. Ang ganito pala oh. Ang dami naming fans oh. Ang dami nagpipicture. Uy, sayang. Okay, I have this spot for birdie. Come on. Magka-chance naman. Ayan, everyone's... Kami naman magvi-video sa inyo. Ayan, kami. Videoan din natin sila. Oh, pasama ka. Isang productions kayo? Pre. Ayan, may shoutout pa. Lakas lang. Ah, that's good, that's good. Okay, Jolo for par. Ang lakas lang. Ang lakas. Sure daw. Oh, diretso nga. Diretso. Okay.
Uy,
lang nga nagkipicture kasi.
Na-pressure.
Walang kanan.
In-adjust ko yung linya ni ate, akala ko bali.
Ito yung akin, di ba? Diretso lang.
Goal number 1. Sayang, what a terrible birdie. Nagkamali ako kasi nakakala ko mali yung linya ng caddy. Sabi niya right inside. Usapan namin gitna. So nilagay niya sa right inside. In-aim ko a bit left. Kaliwa tuloy, tama na pala yung caddy. So ngayon, makikinig na lang ako kung saan niya nilagay. Ay nako. So sayang. Hole number 1. This is the view to our right. But this is hole number 1. 400 plus yards. So I guess the aim is to go over those bunkers. Diba? Aim for that stones there. Okay, yung tree is 220. So to carry it mga 230. Better angle yata ko sa left side para the green side bunkers natin play.
Nice.
Ay, nagbi-bleed right lang. Sa may puno.
Nice shot. Right. Sakto. Tama na kanan. Baba. Pwede na.
Little left of that rocks lang. Those trees. Yan. Sa ilalim ako ng puno. Bumigay! Okay lang, layo pa rin. Yan, kaliwa. Yun. Good shot. So, for my second shot, left with 123 yards to the flag. Aim a little right, no? Tama ate. Okay, hitting a 50-degree wedge. Ay, di namin napindot. Okay lang, sayang. Hindi ko napindot. So, yan. I have that birdie putt. Ang talbog ng green. This is hole 1. So, that's Mikey's third shot to go up and down for his par. Nagta-turn lang. View of all the mountains. Okay, we're giving this 5 paces. 6 paces pala siya for birdie.
Ay, kulang. Plus 1 kulang.
4.
Okay, sayang hindi ko ma-birdie. Okay, par 5, hole number 2. 522. Ate, hi ka naman. Kailan tayo makaka-birdie?
Alam sa dito po.
Oh, sana.
Chance mo na to.
Anong, walang trouble to, no? Tubig sa kanan?
Diretso lang tayo.
Diretso
Kanan
lang.
po.
Mamaya pa, di ba? Parang naalala ko may tubig sa kanan. Doon pa, di ba? Malapit sa green. Okay. So, sa second shot pa naman. So, saan ang play? Fairway. Gitna ng dalawang bunker dito. So, ang aim, doon dapat. Kung nagka-cut. Okay, so aim lang siguro ako. The play is that bunker here. Aim right of that.
Yes, over mo. Nice shot.
Ay, sumabit.
Sumabit.
In play pala yun. Akala ko kaya sa ibabaw, malayo pala yun. Yun!
Nice one.
Nice shot, Mikey. Nice shot. Okay, sayang sumabit kami sa puno. Mas may chance sana, pero layo pa rin. 290 yards. Hitting a 3 wood. Aim dyan sa mga bahay. Kasi yung stance is a bit ball below my feet. Ano natin?
Uy, sobra siya.
Ayun, bumalik. Naka-aim talaga ako to kasi in-expect ko magka-cut eh. Dumiretso. Sana mahanap. Buti na lang nakita yung first ball. Pero sayang, brand new yung pangalawa, nawala. Pero at least importante walang penalty. 90 yards. Hitting down lang with the pitching wedge.
Right. Ay, kulang.
Thank you, ate. Okay, landed. Wala, left talaga. Up and down for par. 13 yards, fast green. Up and down for par. We're giving it a little left lang. Double.
Hoy, tama na.
Ang bilis lang talaga.
Ang bilis.
So, tama. Okay, Jolo for par. Malakas. Ang lakas. Okay, I have this par putt. 5 paces. Left to right.
Malayo.
That's good, Mikey.
Okay, guys. Par. Ay, ano ba yun? Birdie.
Kanina pa ako naniwala sa mga linya ni ate.
Galing.
Okay, par. Thank you, ate. Good read, ate. Fetcha. Mali. Kasi pa invento pa ako kanina eh. Ganun din! Hipan mo. Bangaw. Okay. That was a good up and down for hole number 2. Hole number 3, 144 yards. It's downwind, so might hit a pitching wedge.
Nice shot.
Ganda, beach. Ay, kumanan lang. Short. Okay. This is a fun hole. Sponsor Marriott and Joy Design.
Right, baka lalampas. Eksakto lang. Lampas yata. Tama na. Lampas kaunti. Sobra sir. 50 lang dapat pitching.
Alam mo, akala ko yung flag na yun.
Hindi sa dito tayo.
Mas may hangin?
Kaya pala na paano ka na.
Sobra naman.
Tubig ah.
Sobra.
Ni Luigi, hindi yan in play.
Saan pa kayo? Yung mga kasama namin. Ito yung flag. Gusto daw nila ito, yung island green sa kanan. Kabilang butas.
Downhill pa no?
Downhill pa. With the wind pa. Si Jolo yun. Si Jolo yung may gusto sana ng ganung butas. Pag nahulin man mo, sa'yo daw yung negosyo ni Mikey. Ganda, Mikey. Go. Kanan lang. Short.
Pwede na.
Nandun lang.
Yan, maganda. Parang over lang.
Over. Ah, hindi. Ayun.
Tayo, bro.
Hindi, sakto.
Oh, hindi, over.
Yan.
22 paces for birdie. Ang layo. 1 putter daw ang bigay ni ate. Mga minus 3? Minus 4? Minus 3. Pero basta mabilis ano? Okay.
Hindi yata aabot.
Ay, kulang. Kumari.
Oh, tama yung ano, kulang yung allowance.
Halos, ay, lakas brother. Napitik. Okay, Mikey for par. Papapalo tayo? Uy, sayang. That's good, Mikey. Ganda. Uy,
Ano, kaya
that's good, brother. Kulang.
kulang.
Sayang naman yung bogey na yan. Okay. Hole number 4 for 347 yards. Okay.
Right side.
347. So parang I can aim straight sa pin kasi kung magkakat man to.
Uy, kick right. Safe. Safe yun.
Pero playable yata.
Safe.
Abot, reach. Ayun, nag-bounce. Cut pa. Safe yan? 3 line. Okay. Good shot. Okay. Buti nahanap ang aking first shot. Left with 90 yards to the flag. Ano to ate? Diretso na? Left to right? Kanan.
Hoy, kaliwa. White. White. Wala. Baba. Ayun, baba.
Okay. On the green. Okay, spotting for birdie ulit. Come on, Luigi, makashoot ka naman. Okay, this is the view. Ganda ng view. Yeah, pero at least makita natin ng konti yung bilis.
Okay, tapak mo din.
Okay, BJ. Ganda, Mikey. Ganda. Go.
Ganyan lang pat mo parating.
Oh, parating lang.
Uy, yun, nahuli mo. Ka-birdie din.
Oy! Okay, last 4 holes. Hole number 5. 351 yards. And on top of everything, top of the mountains. So the play is... Anong play? Aim sa mga bunker sa kaliwa? Okay.
Yun.
Yun.
Tama. Over mo.
Over yan, sir.
Uy, over.
Over.
Layo. Over.
Okay, I had to take my mulligan na. So, 50-50 na. Bunker lang naman or not eh. Diba? Sana hindi. Technique na ginawa ko eh. Mali yung technique na ginamit ko sa ano eh. Kung hindi nga ako nag-triple dun. Tapos meron pa akong... Yung malapit na birdie na hindi ko na-shoot. Sa... Saan yung nag-picture-picture kami? Had to take my last mulligan against the wind. Left to right. 75 yards to the flag. Kahit tirang mo 70.
Right. Nice shot. Sakto. Kanan. Baba.
Sana. Left to right. Okay. Another putt for birdie. 6.5 paces. Mabilis. -1. Or giving it right to left. 1 cup ni ate.
Uy, abot mo. Hala. Ay, sayang. Ayaw. Ang bilis dulo lang.
Bilis.
Tama lang yun.
Okay, hole number 6, par 5. 487 yards. Sayang naman. Hindi ko pa na birdie. Sobrang bilis. Okay. The play is middle of the fairway, I guess. Yan, in between those 2 bunkers dito. So yan, sa punong to.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Wow. Madaling makita. Okay. I was able to place it in between that tree, this tree, and the bunker. Okay na yan, okay. Left with 200 plus yards to the flag. Going for it with a 3-wood.
Eh, sobra kang kanan. Ang layo nga. Eh, tama lang.
Bukang-buka.
Sobrang right.
Sobrang open yung palo ko. Landed there sa may antenna. Okay, 3-shot hole. Okay, for my 3rd shot to go up and down potentially for birdie. It's 50 yards right to left. So I'm giving it parang almost more than a flag siguro sa right.
Hoy, sobra ka. Kaliwa. Ba. Tama na.
Ay, hindi na bumaba. Tama ka, laki nga sa kanan. Masyado ko inopen yung club face. Okay, that is for my birdie. Layo. Okay, need to learn from the Mr. One Podcast. Kaso matagal-tagal na siyang walang one putt eh. Hindi ko nakikita eh. Hindi ko siya nakikita sa golf course eh. Oo nga, kaliwa. Ayaw nga, nag right to left sa dulo, no? Ano bibigay mo ate? Kana? Kaliwa?
Loob lang.
Kaliwa
Loob lang
loob.
sa layo.
Okay. -1, -2?
-2.
-2.
Uy, kulang.
Ay, hindi bumalik.
Kulang. Kaliwa nga. Kaliwa nga, sir.
Tsaka masyadong laylay na, no?
Laylay si Dulo.
Okay, hole number 7. Sayang, mailap. 397 yards. This might be, is it a hole sponsor? Is it a fun hole? Hindi. Tapos na eh. Longest drive tsaka. Okay, the play is siguro little right of the fairway. Perfect yan, brother. Nice cut. Ganda. Gandang lalaki nung tumira.
Harap na ako dun eh.
Babalik ka na sa kabilang butas.
Hoy, kaliwa. Kumanan. Safe mo lang.
Tumama.
Hala, tumama.
Ayun, nasa golf. Before the cart path. Before lang. Oo. Pero hindi nag-cart path.
Ay, hindi ko nakita. Wala akong nakita at all. Diyan na yata. Basta may narinig lang akong unggoy na umaray.
Tumama ba sa...
Nice shot, Mikey. Nice shot. Buti lang, hindi ko nakita. Nag-slice ng matindi. The pin is in this area. Di ba? Tama ito? Okay, 180 yards. Hitting 7 iron. Dito.
Okay lang, sir. Kaliwa lang. Kaliwa lang, green.
Nasa East Ridge lang yun. Okay, landed left. Ewan ko lang, around the green sana. Okay. This is to go up and down for a par. 30 yards. Left to right. Tapos right to left sa dulo. Okay, mabagal uphill.
Ay, no. Uy, tama. Uy, yun.
At least baka mapar pa. Baka mapar pa.
Par. Legend par.
Okay, what a intimidating hole to finish the round. Pero it's a fun hole. Hole in one sponsor. At least it's downwind. Hole in one sponsor. Image? Image ba yan? Or Image? Kung ano man yan. Image trading. Thank you. Okay. Image, no? So it's playing 150 yards downwind, downhill. Might hit a 9 iron. Para sure. Oh, safe. One down, safe.
Okay.
Uy! Gumulong.
150 lang ba talaga to?
Hala. Huwag ka ng sobra. Tama na. Oh! Bitin nga. Sayang.
Medyo na ball. Okay, landed short. Medyo tapped a little. Yan.
Tikman si Luigi.
Ayaw nga, no? Kung pumatong sana sa green, no? Yung akin. May chance sana nga na close, no? Nearest to the pin. Ay.
Nice one.
Okay, this is what we were looking at sa tee shot to the green. Intimidating and medyo confusing. Downhill siya. It was playing 150. Papaluin natin. Okay. Chance for birdie. You may mount na right, left to right. Pero yung sabi ni ate, right to left. So 12 paces to go up and down for par. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan ate?
Mga isang butas.
Tapos mabilis o bagal?
Ano lang po, regular pat yan. Hala, kulang pa nga, sir.
Ay! Tama nga si ate kanan.
Kulang pa.
Sorry.
Alanganin kasi.
Pero kanan ko naman nilagay. Okay, at least I finished. Sayang, 80. Hindi ako naka-break 9, hindi ako naka-break 70. Break 80. Okay, good par. Thank you, Ate Francia. Kanan nga, ang galing mo ate, no? Nakabig. Mahina. Let's go. Madilim. Madilim.
Nice game, brothers.
Good round. Thank you very much, Mikey. Thank you, Solark. Thank you, Solark. Beach. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Jolo, nice meeting you. Kita tayo sa awarding. Good luck. Ate, maraming salamat.
Oh, thank you. Nice game,
Thank you,
sir.
ate. Ate, bigyan ko yung sticker para ano, pwede kayo Follow. Thank you, ate. Luigi Magliari. Thank you, ate.
Thank you
Ate, thank you. Nice shot.